Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Class 3. I hope you all are well, inshallah. I welcome you all. This is your English class, and I am your subject teacher, Mrs. Romana Osmani. I hope you all have your English books now. If you do not have, then please arrange it as soon as possible because without the books, it is not possible to read and understand and to learn properly. So open your books, chapter number 1, the book page number 10. You can see also here on your screen, this is a book page 1. What they are saying here, the first they are saying read. It means you have to read all what is written on this page. Let's read this. A number 1. These are the different boxes. Look what is written here. Umar, will you close the door please? In the next box, this is written, yes, Miss Jan. And number 3, thank you, Umar. You can easily see that these are the pictures of one classroom in which the teacher is sitting and asking something for Umar to do. What she is asking? To close the door. And what the word she is using? The word please. In the next picture, Umar is saying, yes, Miss Jan. And in number 3, again, the teacher is saying, thank you, Omar. In the box number B, again, the same conversation. The teacher is saying, Uzma, will you open the window, please? Yes, Miss Jen. Number 3, thank you, Uzma. Number C and number D, you read by your own self. Then check. There are two very important words in these pictures. What are these words? Just concentrate. There is the word please, 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 and please. Every time when the teacher or the girl or the boy is asking something for someone, then he or she is saying please. Then in the third one, when the thing has done, what the teacher is saying, thank you. Here again the teacher is saying thank you. Here the girl is saying thank you. The boy is saying thank you. It means the word please and thank you. These are the two most important words. Why? Let's understand this. Look, please and thank you. Two of the most important magical words. We are saying that these words are the magic words. Why these words are magic words? Because saying these words is a part of etiquettes or good manners. And good manners make both our home and the world a more generous and comfortable place to live. The word please and thank you are a special word because they make dealing with other people go more smoothly. So, children, do you understand why these two words are called the magic words? Because these are the parts of our good manners. Let's understand some more thing about them. The word please. We use the word please for asking something politely. People have to ask for help or permission all the time because every time or many times they need something to fulfill. And when they use the word please, it shows the respect for the other person. It shows the politeness of the speaker. And when you are polite and say please, people are more likely to respect you back and fulfill your request because you are showing respect to them. And then in the return, they will also respect you and fulfill your requirements. They will consider your request. So the word please is very important. This is the part of our good manners. Whenever we want to ask something, whenever we need something, when you request something, so use this word please with your friends, with your family members, with your teacher. If you want to go out from the classroom Always ask politely to your teacher, the teacher, may I go out for the water or for some other needs? Then what is the next word we see? Thank you. Thank you is the simple sign of respect and gratefulness. What is thank you? This is the simple sign of respect. It means when you are saying thank you, you are showing respect to other people. Just understand this. After someone gives you something or assists you, it is polite to say thank you. It means it's your duty, it's your responsibility. If someone fulfill your requirements and consider your request, then you should be grateful to them and you must say thank you. It's your moral duty to say thank you to the person who fulfills your need. If we do not express gratitude, our relationship with our friends might change because we show that we don't care about them. We don't care about the person who consider our request or who fulfill our request, our needs. So it means we are not care enough. Don't care about them. So we must be thankful and grateful to that person. So when we say thank you after getting favor from other person, it means we are giving respect and appreciate their efforts. So children, try to speak these two words. Number one, please, when you are requesting something, when you need something, when you are asking something. And number two, you must say thank you when someone gives you some favor. Understand, this is called the part of etiquettes or the good manners. Now come back to our page 10 again, the same page where we read these words please and thank you. Now you can understood about these words and where we use and how important they are in our life. In the same page, exercise number 2, they are asking how many sentences can you make? These are the different columns. Here is written will you, here open, close, touch, point to, clean. Then in the next column, the door, window, floor, your book, your desk. And in the last one, there is written please. It means they are asking you to make sentences by using this word please. These are the question. Will you open the door, please? How can you make the sentence? First, you write this, will you, then take this, open the door, please. I will show you how. Look, these are the columns you have in your book. Then how you make a sentence. Will you open the door, please? I made this one sentence for you for the example, and the other sentences you will make by your own self. This is your home task, or you can say this is an assignment for you. Okay, children, this is the book. Page 1 of chapter 1 is done. Now we move to the next page. On the next page of your book, there is exercise number 3. And here is again written, make sentences like these, like the previous one. Look, they gave you the example here. Here is the word a pen. Then how they want you to make sentence. First, you have to make the question by using the word please, and then you must write the answer also. Let's read this. By using this word a pen, will you give me a pen, please? Then the answer, yes, here it is. The next words, some books. Will you give me some books, please? The answer, yes, here they are. What is the difference between these two answers? Look here, yes, the same yes. Here, same here. But here it is, they are. Why? This is the difference because This is a pen, mean one pen. When we are using a single word, when we are using a single word means a one thing, a pen. Then in the answer, you should write it is. Here it is because it's a one pen. Will you give me a pen, please? A pen, one pen. The answer, here it is. The next word, some books. When there is S, it means this word is in the plural form. Means more than one book. 2, 3, or 4, 5 books. If the words are like that, then will you give me some books, please? The same question, but in the answer, you have to write they are. For the plural, you use they are. For the single thing, for a singular, you use it is. Plural, they are, and the singular, it is. This is the difference between two sentences. That's why the book gave you these two examples for you to easily make different sentences. This is again, this exercise is your assignment. All of you make these sentences in your notebooks by using these words. Look, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. A pencil, a ruler, some pens. Just concentrate on the words a pencil, a ruler, singular. Some pens, there is a S, some rulers, a piece of chalk. Just like this, you have to make all these sentences in your notebooks. This is an assignment for you. Let's move to the next exercise. Exercise number 4. They are saying these are some new words. Maybe you already read it previously in your class 2 books or in any other book. A ladder. What is a ladder? Ladder is an object, or you can say a thing, is used for climbing. You can see in the picture, this is a ladder. Spell it, ladder. Then in the next box, this is a packet of nails. There is written nail. You have to learn the spelling of these two words, ladder, packet. Okay, you must learn these spellings for the dictation. After these two words, what they used in this passage, this is a small story of a man and the children. They are doing something here. All of you must read by your own. Okay, here I will read for you. Mr. Shah said, "Children, there is a hole in the roof of our house. I am going to mend it. I am going to work hard. Will you help me, please?" Just concentrate on this word. Look, there is written please. The children said yes. Mr. Shah said, "Omar, will you bring me a ladder?" The same word again they are using. Ladder. Here is ladder. "Will you bring me a ladder, please?" "Uzma, will you bring me a tin of red paint, please?" "Maruf, will you bring me a hammer, please?" "Sam, will you go to the shop, please?" "Will you buy me a packet of nails, please?" Can you see here that every time when Mr. Shah is asking some favor from Umar, Uzma, Maruf, and Sam, every time he said, please. Omar, please. Maruf, will you bring me a hammer, please? Sam, will you go to the shop, please? Every time, because he wanted the request in a polite way. Politely. He is asking politely. Then what he said, "Now I am going to climb up the ladder. Omar, will you hold the ladder, please?" This is a hard work, isn't it? "I am working hard. I am tired." "Yes," said the children. "We are tired too." It's a simple short story in which they use the word please, showing the way of speaking, how they ask the request, how they ask the help from the other people and how they want to do some work. So all of you read this story again, and then you have to answer the questions from this passage, from this story. You need to find out the answers of these questions which are written here. Understand? Just read it carefully and then answer these questions. You must find the answer by your own selves. I will explain you and I will give you the example of sub questions, but it's your duty that you must do hard work. Let's see question number 1. This is question A. Where was the hole? Just think and see where was the hole. Read the first line. In the roof. But in the question, what they are saying, where was the hole? Always, sometimes when there is a story, the questions, what they are asking, they are in the past tense because the some work which has already been done. It is done already, so the question is in the past tense. They are saying, where was the hole? So you should not write the hole is in the roof. No, you should use the same word which is in the question. Where was the hole? The hole was in the roof. Understand? The hole was in the roof. I will show you. Look here. These are the 4 questions which I wrote for you to understand. Then other questions, you have to find out the answers by yourself. Question number 1, where was the hole? The hole was in the roof. Who brought the ladder? Just think, see the passage again, read again, and the answer is Umar brought the ladder. Question number 3, who brought the tin of paint? Read the passage again and find the answer. Then you will find Uzma brought the tin of paint. Look here in the question, there is the word brought, so we use the same word in the answer. Here is the word brought, we use the same word. The question answers are very easy. Question number 4, what color was the paint? Do you remember the story? If you don't remember, then read it again. Then the answer is the color of the paint was red. Okay, children, this is our first chapter for today. Inshallah, in our next lecture, we will see the next exercise. Until then, take care of yourself